Sound check, 1, 2. Nice. Oh, hey, Mibbo. I in order to, I don't have that great of a bandwidth either for streaming, and I actually only stream at 10 frames per second, but at a reasonably high resolution, and I feel like that is a big win because there's really no need to like stream at 60 frames per second because most of the time I'm just doing like coding and it's like essentially the same each frame. Um, I actually am not sure if you could probably tell that or not. Nobody's complained about it, so I assume that no, it's not obvious that it's only at 10 frames per second. It probably is when I'm like talking in like my webcam, but oh, okay. Let me get rid of this guy here, and this guy here. It's distracting me. Okay. I believe I was compiling. Yes, I was compiling, and I have like breakpoints working right now. So that is, I'm pretty pumped about that. So I think the next thing that I really need to do, well, I think I only really have two things I need to do before I can do a release. I'm hoping that I can do a release today. But one of those things is I need to be able to let the user configure the run configuration, which means like they can like set like environmental variables and stuff like that. But and like where the binary is and all that stuff, or I also need to like be able to explore variables in frames. So I don't know. I think I kind of want to do the like variables stuff first, just because that seems like the more interesting problem for me, and I think I'd be more motivated to get that done. So I think I'm gonna do that. So let's see here. I just had breakfast, so I'm gonna take my vitamins real quick. I take a lot of vitamins. Magnesium. Okay. Should be good to go. So let's see here. Oh, you guys don't need to see that. So I think that like select frame needs to like get changed to like why do I need the concept of a selected frame? What am I doing here? Oh, I need it for finish. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Um, you know what? That's kind of an odd like concept, right? Like I think you really just want to finish. What's going on with my network? It's dropping frames too. Is OBS fine? No, OBS is fine. I'm not dropping frames. What is Twitch talking about? I don't know. Whatever. All right. I think I just want a button like for each frame saying like finish here. I think that's actually makes more sense than having just a regular finish button. I'm gonna try that and see what that's like. Um, so what was that exec finish? I know, like I said, I was gonna do these things because I figured like those were like the most important things for like finishing the product, but now I'm on to something else. I should just not make plans. That should be what I do. All right, I need a console. I closed it because it had stuff in it. Console, nice. And okay, so I need to restart the Fluxbox because it hasn't woken up yet today. Okay. So let's go to the docs. I'm gonna go ahead, put these guys on because my wrists are getting really tight. And I don't want them to bother me tonight. What is this? Exec finish is what I was looking at. Okay, what does that take? Does it not take a frame option? It should. That would make a lot of sense. Is this one of those? Hold on. Up. Okay, so general design. In most cases, when GDB accesses a target, the access is done in the context of a specific thread and frame. Often, even when accessing the target requires a thread be specified. Maintains minus frame. Each MI command. So that's just unsaid. So like if I do, okay, so I'm going to try this. I'm going to try putting a button on the frame here that's like finish. I'm just do F for finish. So what is that? Frame level. There you go. So mGUI, same line, F there. Okay. And I'm going to do if current, do I have an idea of current frame? Yeah, frame level. So if frame level frame level is not equal to, what, do I have like a max frame level or cached? Like my context, cached, max frame. Yeah, okay. If we're not on the highest frame, then let's render a finish button. Okay. So it's going to be here. Oh, and I want to replace I to AH with my new stuff I have. So scraps. What do I got here? I've got a U16 overwrite 4. That's what I want. So pull up. I'm going to include dot 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 or dot dot scraps dot cpp. Does that build? Oh, it doesn't know about U8. Oh, okay. Oh, also, this will probably be in quotes. And then we'll shove this right here. We happy now? We are happy. Okay, so actually, I think I kind of want to move this to here. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. And then I've got let's get rid of I to AH because we don't like it. Well, actually, I mean, I like it enough. It's just we got a new thing that is more versatile. Well, actually, it kind of does the exact same thing, but it's done in a more reusable way. So, what reference is I to AH? That guy. So, that becomes buffer U16 overwrite 4 hex. Yeah, base 16 overwrite 4. Okay, so that's what we want. Hey, thanks for following, Moth Teeth. Current line number that goes here. MB plus 3 that goes here. Right, buffer first. No, number first. Okay, so I did it the same way. Okay, there. So I've got that now. And then let's see here. Where do I use it again? I just use it here. Okay. Button label plus 13. So let's do button label plus 13. What, frame level? Okay. So that gets rid of that. Do we build now? Are we still running? Yes, we should be effectively the same-ish. Okay. So let's see here. Do something very similar here where I am going to just do this. Button label, finish frame. Alright, I'm just going to do F. F for finish. And then I believe I just do 0, 1, 2, 3. I think that's what I want. We'll do 3 here. And then ImGUI, but redraw. So if the finish button is pushed, then we will we'll do some execing. What is the deal? It's like the second time it's happened today. I'm gonna turn off Wi-Fi on my laptop. Okay. All right, so we got this guy. This message here is irrelevant because we're already handling that case, so we fixed that. Awesome. And okay, so what we want to do here is we want to do minus frame, and then our selected frame. What? Oh, I'm in the wrong spot. Okay. Let's grab that. I'm going to go ahead and just comment out this line here because I don't think we wanted to do this anymore. And then grab that code, and then I've had some connection issues down here. Is mine still coming in good? I think so. I think the delay on the video might have gotten worse. I'm going to restart FFmpeg. Okay. And I'll do a sound check here. 1, 2, test. Okay, yeah, that sounds good. All right. I'm streaming the video in from another PC. So oh, I'm in the middle of streaming. He's doing annotations. Okay. I might pull him up. Another thing. so distracted right now. Streaming. I should be doing streaming things. Okay. Alright. Minus frame. That's where I got. I already copied that. So let's do cached max frame. Yep. That's where I'm at here. So we'll do that guy here. And here I want minus frame. %D, I believe. Is that how it takes? Might have been just synergy. Okay, so I'm gonna assume that works. Okay, so how do we test this? Let's run. One warning. Oh, no arc. Okay, yeah. That's a bug. Why do I have two select frames? Here's my button label. Here's this button label. Oh, the same thing over and over again. Okay. Just get rid of that. Okay. So we need to do, what is this, frame level here? Okay. So if I like break here. Okay, well actually I think I need to do like some nested stuff that doesn't kill the program at the end. So let me go to test target. Humbug. And then we will just comment out this line. Or, no. We will just comment out this line. Okay, so that's what we got there. So let's do a couple nesteds here. Let's do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And restart. So I exited with no failure. Right. So that's fine. Let's do why don't I have breakpoint stuff here? Oh, we want to do GDB is running, I believe. Okay, so now we have this. So now we can set breakpoints. Here, let's set a breakpoint here. That totally should have done stuff. Oh, leak sanitizer. Yes, I need to free some stuff. So let's do let's do delete breakpoints. So I want to do a what's in a breakpoint? Let's see, we've got a car star at. So let's do if b temp at, then we want to I think I want to do a macro for this because I'm going to do it a bunch of times. Well, okay, let me just getting ahead of myself. Okay, so I think I at least want to change this to B or under B. Under B. Under B. Okay, so under B. So if under B at, then we're going to free under B at is going to equal to null. Okay. And I think we need to do that with a bunch of things. So but I'm at this point in time going to like just do. I'm going to switch this back to temp B. Then I'm going to pull this out here, and I'm going to do delete or free breakpoint. We're going to do temp B and then my context. Okay. And then let's do this stuff here. So I just need to define this function here. We can do void free breakpoint. And breakpoint. B test context. My context. Stars all around. Okay, I think that's right. Oh, this is under B. Okay, and so I kind of wanted to like make a macro here called or actually it's not a macro, it's just like a helper. So void free if and it's just going to take like a void star. Well, right now it's going to take car star, because that's what I need right now. So it's going to take car star. It's going to take car star pointer, and it is going to. It's going to be inline. It's going to be inline as well. And then we're just going to do if star be at, we'll free it, well, star p, then we'll free star p, and then we will set star p equal to null. Or else we won't do anything. Okay, so that's all that does. Actually, let's just go ahead and break it up. Make things easy on us for debugging later. Okay. Now, then we want to do a free if. And we're going to do and be at. Okay. I do believe we want to make a quick macro here. Define free and to be just do, you know, prop. And then we're gonna go undef it. And then we're just gonna do and prop. Okay. And then we are going to do f at we're going to do f see we got app, we got func, we got file, we got full name, we've got original location, and we got pending. Okay. So we've got those guys. Do we still build? Yes, we still build. Right. Wow. Okay. Okay. So then we are going to want to make address sanitizer happy. So I think we want to free concept really doesn't, our application really doesn't have a concept of closing yet or exiting. So it's interesting. Should probably define an exit thing. Like exit void do exit stuff. And then so while okay, so wait, my context, test context. Gee whiz. Okay, backed up a little bit too far. I'm just going to finish this up real quick, and then I think I'm going to restart my computers. Or at least one of them. I think I'm going to restart my laptop. It's having a rough time. So we're going to do a free breakpoint. Then I think we want to free... Oh, we don't need to free that stuff because it's on stack. Okay, that's fine. All right, well, that's good for now. And I think I'm going to stop streaming for a few minutes and figure out what's going on with my stuff.